Well, we're learning about writing equations in slope-intercept form. And here on page 218 in our textbook, example 4, we're being asked to write an equation in slope-intercept form. And so we're given a graph here on the right, and then we've got 4 choices here as to what the correct answer may be. So let's attack this first by looking at this graph. And the first thing we want to do is try to determine, okay, where is my y-intercept? And as I look at this, I can see that my y-intercept is here at where when x is 0, y is equal to negative 1. Right there. Now, let's go back over here. I'm going to take a quick peek back over this equations because I can probably eliminate a couple of these. Well, we know that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept. So if the y-intercept here is at negative 1, well, obviously this equation marked G cannot be a possible answer. And this equation marked as choice I cannot be a possible answer. So that narrowed down the field. And so now I only have 2 possible answers left. Both of them do have a y-intercept or a b value of negative 1. But no problem. The next thing I just need to do is determine what the slope is, rise over run. So I got 2 choices. One is 1 over 4 and the other one is 4x. Well, from this graph and determining what the slope is, I'll put this in a different color. If I go up 1 and to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, I see that my slope is, my rise over run is 1 over 4. And so my answer to this problem is choice F, 1/4 x minus 1, remembering that b is the y-intercept and m is the slope. All right, there we go. We took a graph and we wrote an equation based on identifying where the y-intercept was and then using rise over run to determine the slope.